Hello, hello! Welcome back to our blog. We have been missing for a while, but that's about to change. So, in this vlog, we are going camping. Yay! The kids are packing their things and we're getting everything ready because we're gonna go camping for a couple days. We weren't able to plan this full on, but it'll still be fun. We're only going for a couple days, like I said, but it's gonna be really, really fun for us and for the kids. We haven't been there in 2 years, and we're so excited to be back. That's like our favorite spot to camp, and we just can't wait. We just can't wait to be there. So we will be updating you guys later. All right, guys, we're on the road. You guys want to say something? Been on the road for 2.5 hours now, and we still have like 1.5 to go.
Hello, it's me again. Stuck in the middle of the sand. And there's no water and there's no nothing. You want to get back in? We're literally stuck out here and we have no way to go anywhere. We're trying to put sticks on like under the wheels so we could try going, but it was hard. But we can't. But it's only Roberto doing it. It's only one person doing it. And my job is to record so I can be part of the vlog. And the kids aren't helping at all because they're jumping and running everywhere in the sand. Hey! Okay, I just got Gio in the van. And we're still stuck. We have no way to get out.
Hello, guys. It is currently 10:14 p.m. And we have been stuck for like an hour and a half now. I'll try and show you guys what I'm talking about in a minute. Hold on. This is where we're stuck. There's nothing around us. Yeah, we are not gonna get out of here tonight, so we're gonna just camp here and wait to call a tow truck tomorrow. Yep.
So we're still stuck, but over there we have the tent and a fire going. Here, please don't cry, please don't cry.
Yeah, we did. Guys. A ver, ve. Cierren la puerta de su cuarto. Cierren la puerta de su cuarto. 10 people tent. Hey, good morning, everybody. We just woke up. This is our first day here, and we're super excited and ready to go down into the water. I'm gonna show you guys our campsite in a little bit. And this is the tent. There's Keilani. Hi, Keilani. We gotta fix our mess in a little bit. Hello, hello. Doing artwork in the sand. This is Mickey Mouse. That's Bella's, I don't know what. That's Ruby's, I don't know what. Ese es el de Roberto para pescar al rato. Según él, aquí van a caer los pescados. Yo sentada en arena.
Con la chingada.
Yo ni una para allá. Wait. Quédate, Gio, quédate. Fallo.
Nadie puede arrimar aquí.
Si no se queman.
Mira.
Lo voy a poner algo lejos para mientras.
Giovanni? Look at the sand. So cool.
Mi bata.
Tu bata.
Mira,
So
mi
fire.
bata.
It looks so cool. Wow. Looks so cool.
That was the dumbest, lamest, whatever thing you just did. Let me know.
But I don't care. I really don't care.
Go.
How do you do that?
Here, I'm gonna jump like that. Ready?
What? Gio, I'm coming, Gio, wait.
Come on, Gio.
It's not deep.
No. Okay. Vente para acá, papi. Vente para acá. Vente, Gio, corre. Gio, vente para acá, papá.
I'm gonna start. Let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Solo también que las así.
Go, Chave.
Pero ya las vamos también, ¿ok? Porque si no, se te va a meter agua en los ojos.
Like me do that.
1, 2,
That's so fun.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's my turn.
Ready? ¿Tú solita? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yay, Gio! Yay!
Guys.
Go.
Yeah, go.
Cuidado con te sacar.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Brinca tú solito. Pa' acá, pa' acá, pa' acá, pa' acá. 1,
Stop doing that.
2, 3, go. Brinca. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Good. 1, 2. Go. 3, go.
Repeat the last name. Ay, güey, me caigo.
Vente. Dale. 1, 2, 3, go. Brinca. A ver, tú y yo. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
¿Lo hiciste solito?
No.
Ven para allá, afuera, ven para allá, ven para
Vente para acá. Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I think one of you guys should stand here when the others are jumping to balance it out.
Me.
And then like change. Like now it's your turn to stand and
It's
then
gonna be me and you and me.
my foot was sinking right where I was standing.
Imagine I got next to my butt, Karina.
Guys, careful with Jill.
How do you build this big turtle?
We're making sand sculptures.
Yeah. That's my turtle.
That's my turtle. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. You're gonna ruin it. This is my big ass turtle. A sea turtle. Move, Gio.
And I found a ladybug, guys.
Ladybug.
I love ladybugs. Ladybugs are this.
I don't know what she's doing. And I don't know what he's doing.